Hello everyone, I am Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video I'll try to show you the voltage and what is the amperes the Poco F3 GT is taking from the 67 watts charger. As you can see, this is the exact 67 watts which we get in the default box with the Poco F3 GT device. And few of the users, they did ask me, can you please do the USB digital tester, what is the volts it's taking, what is the amperes we are getting. That is the reason I thought of making this kind of video when the battery percentage is close to 1%. As you can see friends, right now it's exactly 1%. So this is the correct time to test this kind of circumstances. Let's see how much the volts will be there and how much the amperes will be there. That is what I'm going to check by connecting this kind of default 67 watt charger. So let's connect the chargers and let's see friends. So let's get started. So we'll be able to see the difference exactly what is the number here. So right now the battery percentage is only 1%. That is the reason I did keep still 1% only. So right now exactly 1% we will be able to see what is the amperes the phone is getting and what is the volts also the phone is actually receiving at this point in the beginning of the charging test. So right now as you can see it increases to 10 volts and amperes also start to increase. I think it's right now 1 amperes only. So right now the phone battery percentage is 1%. Let's see. I'll try to keep the charger connected to the smartphone just to see what will be the highest amperes it will be recorded. As you can see friends, after a certain amount of time the charging speed, so 8 volts we got and 4 amperes at this moment, as you can see exactly. So I started to use another application as well, which is the ampere application. So if you want, you can take a look at this milliamperes, how much it's kind of charging at this kind of speed. Let me try to show you. So right now it's kind of measuring, so it takes some time. So milliamperes is of 7240 milliamperes and amperes is of close to 4 amperes, as you can see at this moment. So there is a difference. So milliamperes versus amperes. So that is what I'm trying to show you friends. As you can see exactly. So I did leave the phone couple of minutes and then I came back and these are the ampere reading which I got in the beginning. So that is what few of the users did ask me. So how much amperes it's kind of detecting, how much is the milliamperes it's detecting when the battery is charging from the beginning. That is what this video is about. As you can see, I can see close to 8000 milliamperes over there and close to 4 amperes here, as you can see friends clearly. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you are having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. I can do separate video as well starting from 0 to 100%, counting what is the amperes and how it's changing. I can do separate video for that, but this is just a small demonstration to show you what is the milliamperes and what is the amperes and what is the volts the phone is actually getting charged. So 11 volts we did see in the beginning, but later it again decreased to 8 volts and amperes it came up to 4 amperes at this moment, as you can see friends. So thank you for watching this video and see in the next video friends. I'll link straight for more updates. In case if you want to know more details about this charger and everything, so there are complete details written on the top. You can definitely see all the readings, what is the ampere speeds and everything. You'll be able to understand by looking at this top of the charger. So thank you for watching and see in the next video friends. I'll link straight for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.